Can I get legal help if my car was damaged in a single car incident and no one was injured? Yes, you can ask for legal help, but this is usually a property damage issue, not a traditional personal injury case. If no one was hurt and no one else caused the crash, a personal injury lawyer may have a limited role. Your main questions will likely involve your own auto insurance policy, including whether you have collision coverage, rental coverage, or other benefits that apply. Admitting fault does not automatically end your insurance claim. Liability coverage usually protects other people if you cause damage, but collision coverage may help repair or replace your own car, depending on your policy. Legal help may be useful if the insurer is delaying, the repair estimate seems incomplete, the vehicle has not been returned, or the company has not clearly explained its position. It may also matter if something else contributed to the incident, such as a roadway hazard, a defective part, negligent repair work, a falling object, an animal strike, or another driver who caused you to react. In North Carolina, some crashes must be reported to law enforcement, but the lack of a police report does not automatically defeat an insurance claim. It just makes documentation more important. Save your policy, claim number, repair estimates, photos, tow records, rental receipts, messages from the insurer, and notes from calls. If there may be a claim against another person or business, do not wait too long. Many property damage claims in North Carolina have a 3-year lawsuit deadline, and talking with insurance does not automatically extend that deadline.